Tons of gallons of olive oil are efficiently processed from millions of harvested olives, moving swiftly through automated conveyors from orchards to sealed bottles. The primary methods for mass olive harvesting include mechanical shaking, trunk shakers, and harvesting machines. Mechanical shakers vibrate olive branches or tree trunks, dislodging olives quickly onto nets placed below. More advanced trunk shakers clamp onto the tree and vibrate with enough force to cause rapid fruit drop without harming the trees. Large harvesting machines, resembling tractors equipped with rotating brushes and suction units, efficiently comb and vacuum olives directly off branches. These mechanical methods greatly expedite harvesting, enabling large-scale operations to quickly collect massive quantities of olives. In net harvesting, workers spread large nets beneath olive trees, shake olives loose onto them, and then manually or mechanically pull these nets to gather and consolidate the olives into bins or containers at designated collection points. Net harvesting is used because it efficiently collects olives while minimizing fruit damage and contamination from the ground. It's particularly suited to uneven terrains or slopes, where heavy machinery can't operate effectively. This method reduces fruit loss, maintains high olive quality, and allows rapid manual or mechanical gathering, crucial for timely processing and optimal oil extraction. Once collected, olives are rapidly transferred into large containers or bins, typically via conveyor belts or mechanized loaders. These containers are then transported by trucks to processing factories. Transportation logistics are critical, with olives moved swiftly to avoid deterioration, maintaining their freshness and oil quality. Upon arrival at processing factories, olives are dumped from transport containers onto initial conveyors that transport them through a series of preparatory stages. The first stage involves thorough washing, where olives are rinsed with water jets and mechanically agitated to remove dirt, leaves, twigs, and other contaminants. After washing, olives move through a sorting conveyor equipped with optical sensors or manual inspection points, separating defective or overly ripe fruit from high-quality olives. The olives enter crushing machines, often large hammer mills or steel rollers, which break the fruit, including pits, into a paste. This paste is transferred to malaxers, machines that gently stir the mixture at controlled temperatures, facilitating the coalescence of oil droplets and enhancing extraction efficiency. Malaxation typically occurs for 20 to 45 minutes, depending on desired oil characteristics and factory throughput. The olive paste then moves into the extraction phase. Centrifugal extractors, specifically decanters, spin at high speeds to separate oil, water, and solids. The heavy solid components, pomace, and water are removed separately, leaving behind high-quality olive oil. Occasionally, a secondary centrifugal process, vertical centrifuge, further purifies the oil, removing residual water and fine particulates, ensuring clear, pure olive oil. The freshly extracted olive oil undergoes quality assessments and may be briefly stored in stainless steel tanks for settling and natural clarification. Before bottling, oils undergo filtration to remove any remaining microscopic particles, resulting in a clear, visually appealing product. The bottling process is highly automated and involves conveying oil to filling machines that dispense precise amounts of oil into bottles, cans, or larger containers. Bottles are sealed hermetically to preserve freshness, labeled clearly with product details and traceability codes, and packed into cartons or pallets for distribution. The finalized packaging moves via conveyors into storage facilities or loading docks, where forklifts and automated loading systems facilitate efficient distribution. From these distribution points, olive oil is shipped worldwide, completing the journey from harvest to consumer, highlighting the sophisticated logistics behind mass-produced olive oil.